my name is Jeannide, and we are back with another fall look. So, ooh, this is very cranberry-ish, I guess. It's cute. It's cute or whatever. I'm too excited. I did not think this was gonna come out right, because when I was doing this eye, I did not like the way it looked. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. So if you want to check out this tutorial, this little talk, well, I was supposed to do a real chit chat. I didn't really do a real chit chat, but a little chit chat, a little chat and talk through makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say unless the usual that other people say, but I ain't gonna say it right now because I'm tired of saying it. So do what you want to do though with my channel, and yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so let's start off talking about my hair, cause I need new edge control. I don't know what this is gonna do. I really don't know, but hopefully my hair lays within the next hour or so of me doing my makeup. Anywho, I primed my eyelids with the No Filter Concealer by ColourPop. It's in medium 28. So the first color that I'll be laying down is Rich, and I'm putting that into my crease, and I'm using this flat brush. It's like it's not really flat, it's like really fluffy. It's like I don't know the name of the color brush. This doesn't have a name or anything. I got it from Wish.com. I'm gonna get some real brushes sooner or later, but for now, this is what a female's working with. So I'm just patting it into my crease. Okay, I really like this color, I really do. Next up, I'm going to be using Terracotta on this. It's a pretty fluffy brush, and I'm going to pat the edges. You see how that's gonna blend? See, it's already starting to blend. I'm just gonna pat the edges of the first eyeshadow. What else do I want to talk about? You hear what's playing right now? Lana Del Rey. Girl, I'm gonna do my lip playlist all over again. In the video, I was like, oh, we just gonna let everything play naturally. I got like, you know, my playlist is like, has over 2,000 songs, and it's a general playlist. So it has like every kind of genre in there. So a lot of the songs that I played during that video were not lit at all. Okay, next time I do that, I'm gonna have to just be selective, like, honestly. Okay, let's talk about the next shade. So the last shade is Orb. That's what I'm going to be using on this much fluffier brush. Ooh, and I'm not even going to use a lot. I can use a lot of this. Hold on. I don't want to use a lot of it. And I'm just doing the same thing, just patting it along the edges of that other eyeshadow. Actually, let me do it in circles. Let me blend in circular motion. Ooh. We already done blending. Anywho, I'm going to be taking the medium 28 by ColourPop. No Filter. So I'm getting Rich again. I'm putting that pretty much in the outer V. Yes, the outer V area. Yes. Just patting it in. Terracotta is next. Yes, this one. Yes, this one. Okay. This is really honestly not the right brush, but that's what I used before, and I don't feel like using, because it already has like the same product on that brush. So I was like, I might as well just use this. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. But yeah, because I'm like, is the mirror too close up to my face? So I'm just patting that in the center. Last color, Orb. Y'all probably judging the hell out of me. I'm trying to be resourceful. I feel like you can see the gradient much better on this eye than on this eye. Blend out those edges with a clean blending brush. This is the Beige Cosmetics. Oh shoot, it's wiped off. Oh, 129 brush. This is the Beige Cosmetics 129 eyeshadow brush. Okay, so I'm going to take Pure. It's a cute little shimmer. I love this shimmer. I like using it a lot for my eye looks. And I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Whatchamacallit? I'm going to get the darkest shade. It's Rich. I think it's Rich. I'm going to sweep it underneath my lower lash line. I didn't even do that yet. I'm going to finish my line and put on my lashes and the rest of my face. And we're going to be back, girl. Okay. Oh, boo boo child. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I like it. I like the way this looks. Like overall, I like this look. It's cute or whatever. I got my Ardell lashes on. My Ardell Wispies. I love these lashes. You already know. I got my Milani highlighter on. You already know. I love this highlighter too. I was actually looking for Chateau by ColourPop. I wanted to use the little lippy. I think it's like the same color as this lippy, so it's whatever. Or maybe something that's close to it, whatever. But I'm satisfied with this lippy that I have on now anyway. I'm good. I think it looked cute. So I have a MAC's. Why gotta be called Sin? I don't know. But this is Sin by MAC. It's on my lips right now. Oh, yes, it looked good with it. Why does Sin have to look so good? Ooh, anywho, that's my look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, boo. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Deuces.